how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a getting ready with me. I'm talking super fast because I need to leave the house and I decided to record for you last minute, so I just put my camera here in front of my window while I was putting my foundation on and I just decided to record. So this has been my everyday makeup for the past like 3-4 weeks. You guys probably have noticed on my Instagram and Instagram stories. It has been just like the craziest, busiest days of my life. Launching my own brand, my own fashion label, which is going to be available now on June 19th, exclusively at revolve.com. You'll be able to shop my pieces. This is one of them, and I will show you my full look at the end of the video. Okay, I need to show you now. It's one of the prints we're doing, and this piece is very versatile. It's a dress or a duster. You can wear with denim like I'm wearing now, but at the end of the video I'll show you the full look. We've just been working so hard on this and I cannot wait for you guys to see all the pieces for this first collection. It's very bright, it's very summery, it's very me, it's very Brazilian. So don't miss out on June 19th at revolve.com, but on the brand's Instagram there's a lot of content as well, so you can see a lot of the pieces that are coming out. So make sure to check that out, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I did makeup with you, I did hair. I was having a really bad hair day and I did the updo with you guys with the scrunchie, and I put the clothes on, everything, so you can see. And I need to head out right now. It's rainy, but I have so much to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments if you liked it, if you want more getting ready with me and all of that. Mwah, love you. Hey guys, I'm about to get ready. I decided to film all of a sudden. I wasn't going to, but why not? So what I did already, I applied my Studio Primer Pro Aging from BeYoung. What this does is it really like gives your face a little lift, and it's a primer for your foundation and it's skincare, so I love it. So it just like makes your skin feel so good. And then I applied my NARS Sheer Glow foundation. I'm back to this. This is like the oldest foundation I've used since, I don't know, since I've used makeup pretty much. I've used this foundation for years and it's still so good on my skin. But I like changing up foundations, as you know, because your skin gets used to it and then you don't get the same result. It's raining out today and I feel so lazy. I should show it to you. I'll show it to you at the end. It's super rainy. So I just applied all over my skin with a sponge. I was just finishing putting it on. What I'm gonna do now is concealer. As you know, I love the Huda concealer. So good, blends so well, and blend with the sponge. I like to take the rest on the brush and just do it here around my mouth. And you guys, my brand is launching June 19th, my fashion label. I know I haven't showed anything here on YouTube, but it's coming up and I'm so busy. So I have been doing this type of makeup every single day because it's just neutral, it's fast, it's easy. And I leave the house looking good and confident. So on my lids, I'm gonna do Hoola. I use this as a bronzer, but also love it on my eyelids because it's just a perfect brown for my skin tone. It's matte finish, so I love it on. And the rest on the brush, I like to do it under here, under my lips, to give the illusion that my bottom lip is bigger and it's like popping out. I like to use a little bit of the Laura Mercier loose powder. I take a lot of the excess out on when it's like every day. Okay, so I'm just gonna dab really like a little bit of powder here under the eyes. So you set that concealer. When it's a night out, I put more powder on, but for during the day, just a little bit, so that you don't have to like retouch it. That's the only reason. And then just the rest of that powder, dabbing it all over your face. Even though it's little, we're gonna remove the rest of it with a big brush later, but first I like to come in and bronze my cheeks. So I'm gonna get my Givenchy powder with a small, the highlighter brush oh my gosh, I've used it so much I can't even see, F95 or 65 from Sigma. And just apply it right here under that cheekbone. I like to apply this one first because it's it has like a very thin texture and it's super light on the skin, but then it will make my matte finish bronzer just like swipe on super smooth. So I always like to put the shimmer first and then matte if we're doing both. All right, just a little bit. Don't have a lot of time to be like working this. Matte bronzer, Hoola, and a little bit more. I've been skipping on blush lately, just using bronzer, and I love it. And now with the same brush we used on the lid, still on Hula, just gonna contour my nose a little bit. Just a little bit. Give the illusion that it's thinner. I come with the sponge and I just blend it a little bit. Don't worry, I'm still gonna do my brows. I like to brush my brows. I'm loving this Benefit pencil. It's so good. I got addicted to it. It's called Precisely My Brow Pencil. Is that the name of it? I'm color number 4. I'm gonna fill it in. And then I like to gel it so it doesn't move around when I'm doing whatever that I'm doing, trying on clothes, and I hate when like the hair moves. So the gel from Benefit is also really good. It's the 24-hour brow setter. What else? Kind of want to finish lips. I love finishing lips like before I do my eyes. It's something weird. I'm obsessed with lips, and I just sometimes I decide my lip first before deciding my eye. But here, of course, I know what I'm doing because it's been my everyday makeup. So I'm just gonna line my lip first. You guys notice I changed lip liners lately. It's been a bit lighter. This is Natural Lips from Laura Mercier. It will be too light if you are much darker than me, your skin tone. And if you are lighter than me, it would be super nice too. The chestnut that I use from Laura Mercier will also be great, and it will kind of be like this effect on darker skin tone. And I really like to line my lips like really well, as you guys know. I'm saying that as if you didn't know that. Lining your lips is how you get fillers without injections. Where are you, little guy? This one, I kind of ran out of it, but I've been using this a lot. It's a balm, but it goes on almost black on your lips. Like it goes dark, but it's reddish. It's like a natural red color. I just put it on, and after a little while, it turns into a really beautiful color. But depending what I'm wearing, I'll just change it to like a light coral color. We'll see. So I'm gonna finish the eyes, and I like to get this palette that's very neutral. What I do, I'll get a flat definer brush. This is a NARS palette. I'll get a flat definer brush, and I'll mix these two colors. The dark one, which is almost black, but it's not black. It's a really dark brown and a warm brown, and I'll start filling in here on my lash root, more from the center to the outer corner. I love this effect because it really enhances your eye without being too much, you know. It's like something super simple, almost feels like you have nothing on. It just pulls your eye and makes you look more awake, and you're not messing with like liquids. This is a flat definer brush, you see, so it's super easy to do this. You hear the rain? Oh, maybe it's too loud for you guys there because my phone is attached to the window. And I'm sorry, I apologize if it is loud. I just thought about that. It's so nice filming here with the rain falling outside. I love rain. Love the rain. And then I'll get my Tom Ford eye defining pen, and I'm just gonna line the bottom of this, like the very bottom of it. I'll just do like a little tiny line just to make it stronger and more defined. And this is optional, but it just looks more defined, you see? That's it. Now mascara. Actually, before mascara, I'm gonna highlight my face with this Wet n Wild highlighter, which is really good. I'm gonna get a brush, and I'm gonna highlight the inside of my eye first before we apply mascara. And I'll also use it on the tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, and on my chin. Also, I like to take a bigger brush and apply it right here on my forehead, on top of my brow, so that when the hot light hits, it's like giving you a nice natural light. I am gonna use just a little bit of blush right here, very little bit. And this blush is from MAC, and I don't remember the name of it. Style. I just scratched it because it was dirty. Super simple, fresh. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. I actually showed this to you before. Since they sent it to me, I've been using it. Just gives you a beautiful volume without clumping, you know? That's my, like, this has been my everyday makeup. It's just simple, very photogenic. It will stay on all day, and I love it. I'm just gonna put white liner on my waterline, nude, I mean. And on my lips, I just took the excess out of it, and I'm gonna do a nude lip. I like Cora. This is Max, my Tweety, because I'm gonna do warm tone clothes. Alright. Oh my gosh, my hair is, you wanna see my hair right now? I did it with the hairstylist, and he put so much volume, which I wanted. But then I tied it and I slept with it like in my scrunchie, and it just woke up crazy filled with marks. So what I'm gonna do is put like a serum that I have and then just tie it so it also hydrates my hair while I have it up. So I'm gonna do a bun, okay? So I'm gonna brush it first really quickly. Oh my gosh, so much mousse and hairspray in here. Everyone has a crazy hair day, right? Just need to be practical when we don't have time to wash it before we leave the house. So I brush it, and then I come in with my night serum. I use this at night a lot to hydrate my hair, and I've showed this to you before from Kerastase. It's so good. It's called 8-Hour Magic Night Serum. It's supposed to like hydrate your hair while you're sleeping, and it doesn't make it wet either. But I like using it throughout the day too. Like I put it in the morning when my hair is bad, when I'm gonna put it up anyway. Once I take it out, the ends are so much smoother. And when you wash it too, you notice such a big difference. But a lot of times you can just save your hair with this product like for next day without washing it too, which is great. But right now I'm just gonna do it to put it up a little bit more, and I'm just gonna brush it. I could even pull 2 front ends and style it very small. So what I'm gonna need is a normal hair tie. I'm gonna tie it hard, and then I could even leave it like this. This is fun. And then I'm just gonna twist into a bun and put my scrunchie in there. How cute is that? Or you could just leave this ends up and pull it right here. You could also do that. You could do like a different color scrunchie. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna wear, so we'll see if we change the scrunchie. Now I'm gonna change because I'm getting late. I'm just gonna apply my beauty water in to set this whole thing. This is called Ali. Be right back. Since it's raining, I wanted to wear color. I love wearing color when it's cloudy out because it makes me happy. It brings me joy. So, because it's raining as well, I decided to do long sleeve. There is some cleavage here, so you're showing some skin. Keep it worn 3 ways. It's a dress, it's a duster, so you can wear it with denim. It's also like a beach cover up if you want. So you can close the buttons here and just wear it as a dress, which is beautiful, very summery. Or just do it open. It has a tie right here under your boobies, so you can waist it and just wear it with denim like I'm wearing today. It's perfect for, you know, going out. It's very comfortable when you have a lot to do, or just really like exploring in your flats, or going out at night, or even at night you can dress it up or down. And the print is so beautiful. So the print is so beautiful and feminine. And this piece, along with a whole summer collection, is coming up this June 19th. It's launching this June 19th. It will be exclusively available for you to shop at revolve.com. So I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see everything. And you can go check the brand's Instagram, Camila Coelho Collection. And there you will be able to see a bunch of other pieces and everything that we are launching on June 19th. So stay tuned. June 19th, super early, you'll be able to shop. And I hope you like everything. It's so special to me. I mean, we've been working so hard on this. But yeah, this is my look today. And the makeup, I can stay with this lipstick, or I can just add again. I mean, who has it? I didn't think I was going to wear red. I thought I was going to wear yellow. But I'm just going to put a little bit more of the reddish in there. So this is my look today. I hope you like it. I hope you like this type of video of getting ready that I don't do that often, and I will see you guys next time. Stay tuned, because yes, I will show my full collection here on YouTube probably after the launch, so maybe some pieces won't be available anymore, but I will show it to you guys. But on the Instagram, we're doing exclusive content every single day, so you can check it out there too. All right, I love you guys, and thank you for watching. Mwah.